So hello guys, welcome to my video. So the Likit's like YouTube account is LB45. Please subscribe that also. So let's begin with a ranked game. So guys,
Okay, bro, can you hear me?
yeah. So guys, we are
Hello.
we start. Yeah, bro. Hello. So guys, we started the rank. Bro, I'm in Discord. I'm in Discord.
Please do like, share, and subscribe to my
So guys, please like and subscribe to my video and share. And this video's goal is 10 likes, guys.
and even subscribe to friend channel that is LB45, LB45 Gamer, and one more channel that is Revenge, my friend. Revenge, and what are your Revenge Dark Gaming.
So guys, where shall we land, bro? Alright, it's okay, I'll go.
What, bro? Where are you going?
I'm going to this blue zone.
You die, that's why I'm telling you, come, I don't want. You die, see, bro, I'm telling you, don't want.
Okay, Rudraksh, you go away from.
I am also coming. I'm staying the blue zone. I am also coming. Do not come down here.
OP M1887 first.
That's why behave on squad camp.
Yeah, it's okay, be careful. Like, we'll take loot fast and kill if we can, or escape.
Hey, I am coming there, bro.
Come fast, bro.
Hey, if you find any sniper, tell me, bro, please.
Yeah, I got Kar 98k just now.
I found AW.
Then take if you want, whatever you want, you take. I got thermal scope, OPW zone. But enemies, psych, enemies are here. Rudraksh OP coming from back, shoot after.
What I need is bag. Hey, wait, bro, you want here? There's no bag.
Rudraksh spectate me, I killed one guy. Lol. Oh no, Happa. Correctly, I went off down. Now I should attack from here. Bro, nicely they're shooting, bro. Likit, go. You keep a eye on you, okay? I'll go from back and shoot. Hey, they killed her.
Don't die, bro.
Da. Full damage, da. Hey, one shot you give it from there. Sniper you hold. As soon as her chrono go, you give OP.
I can't rest now because I saw there are more people there.
It's okay, leave. She kept off chrono. I would also use chrono, but it's not charged. It's okay, leave. Da re-revive me, da. Go to Riverside. Hello? Hello, bro. You're muted, I think. Yeah.
Tell how many people are there?
32 guys.
Yeah, not there. Up.
Up 0. I killed one, you killed one.
Not that guy. I got kill also.
Yeah. Actually, that was my kill. Full damage. Okay. Re-revive me, da. Go in the jeep, which is there. Hey, in my loot, thermal scope will be take if you want.
Hey, yours is this, bro, loot box, huh?
Yeah, that only. This is
You
your
have
key.
AWM in your bounty.
Yes, sir. Okay, leave. MI to be take copy. Okay.
Wait, bro.
Double MI to be a. Okay, leave. Bro, re-revive me, bro. Go in jeep, bro.
Wait, bro. I saw one. This down. I see how many tokens I have.
Okay, check.
0. Wait, I will go. Where is 0.1.6?
Jeep is here. Hey, revival point is back of you and it's near only river side. There only. Go in the jeep.
In my bounty also some.
Hey, if a save zone swings this second time, that zone will go. So only I'm telling go fast.
Okay, fine. Bro, even I need loot now, bro. Without loot, if I go, where is Jeep?
Jeep
How
is
am I
there.
supposed to?
Joshua sent booking.
Yeah, same. Wait, 1 second, just 1 second. I'll take.
I don't take car 98k man, it's a waste.
No, bro, I need an ammo. From here or where am I supposed to go, bro?
Arre, go from that thing, no. You don't know to drive. Arre, go back, man.
Go back.
Hey, in that thing, that oil barrel is there, no. Hey, simply just run and go, man.
That's what your zip line is there. I'll go near, I'll go to straight, I can go up, Aramse I can go. Take it. In real life also he's dead, so he's not talking only.
Lol. The kill, I would take the full damage I was giving. I don't know how would with M1897 I gave some 2 shots. Okay, she should die by the time, and one is half headshot.
That means you should take now. If you're on body means you have to take it.
I think she's having EP. It's okay, leave.
EP if you have also, if you give one
I'll go to
shot
my
and
loot box only.
then
Hey, you know in this new update, this thing is hard means it takes time to re-revive.
Yeah, bro, I don't know. Before, until now, at least they have done it. Before.
You know how much time it will take to simply
Only half done, bro. See how much is taking. Their monster testing. They token me, but it takes some token.
I'll go to my loot only.
You die there, bro.
Why no one is there now?
You told one squad came, that's why I came behind you.
Where's this mill, pa? Where is this mill, man?
Yeah, I found tokens, Papa. And tokens in
Ayyo, I crossed of mill also. No, but already save zone covered of mill. No, yeah, it's covered, I think. No, it's not covered. Just my loot is gone. Shit. Likit, come near me. You're in native, you know? See,
5 minutes and I got.
Mag 7. So guys, if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Bro, I can't play. Bro, come in FF, but I can't talk.
I killed one. Behind you, I killed one guy here. What you remain going?
Where is he, man?
Yes, SVD MP42.
Where? Oh, here. I did not come in car now. Who came in car, da?
This guy only, bro. Any
Lol, I thought Rudraksh came in car. I thought Rudraksh is coming in car. Hey, who is in car? I am thinking.
Hey, bought one more enemy. Kunda.
Bot enemy, okay.
One more enemy, I'm telling you, the bot enemy. Where is
Thought
that
it's
fellow?
bot.
You die again.
I think everyone bots came in this game.
Where?
Where is he, man?
He ran somewhere, friend.
Tort, 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 tort. Tort, tort, tort. See, someone killed there. See, zoom in and see.
All legendary loot box are there, bro.
Tort, 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 tort. Oh no. Yeah, I don't have even a glue wall. Happa, he's in a zone. He's in zone. He's in zone. He's in zone.
Yeah, come bro, I can't cover, bro.
Wait. Hey, he's dead. I think he's eliminated.
No. Hey, bro, he dropped Gilly Bush.
I know. I saw. That guy is enemy only. No, where is he, da?
No one risk, come, bro. Simply take risk.
I kept off Crone and I saved. Where is he, man? OP.
Hey, there may full enemies somewhere here. I knocked one guy also.
Two enemies, sir.
I knocked one guy here.
You're telling two enemies? Hey, be careful from top. He may kill us. Nothing they have. This guy's loot box. What he have? Da? Where is his loot box? Oh, there's mixed in this. Sir.
I told you, bro, stay with us.
It's okay. Leave.
We will go here, you know, where is he?
Wait. Hey, someone is dead up. I got his loot box. Nothing is there. Let me take MP40 instead of Thompson, huh?
Yeah, your problem is going to go apart. Let us stay together. Areva, hey, why Matt is not there to see and come?
It's okay. Leave.
Bro, yeah.
What, bro? I have 3.
I have 10, bro.
Then revive, no? Let's
Bro,
go to
I might get disconnected. Listen, Revant, I might get disconnected in what is it? Discord.
Why?
I don't know. It might get.
Okay, leave. So let's just go to hangar. Arre, first you should find vehicle, not airdrops.
Hey, this was a bottom video. Factory, where this is there?
Hey, give me your tokens. I'll go and revive, or you only come here.
Factory. I'm telling there is no vending machine in factory. What is
What? A factory? I'm telling hangar, no man.
We'll go wait. No, this for Rudraksha.
Hey, factory, how many vending machine will be?
That's what.
Come first, Doris. Zone. Hey, anyway, zone is in hangar only, so we can easily go.
We have to stay here only.
Hey, if you don't want to go, give me your tokens. I'll go revive and come on. You're disconnected or what, man?
Hey.
The enemy. I saw him.
He also chrono.
How do you have chrono, bro? Oh, the check-in, no? He escaped. 2 enemies, 2 enemies. One knock.
Okay.
Killed. Another guy is there. He's going to his loot. He went off inside. Oh no, hey, come here. Come here, fast.
Hey, above. Oh, dead too, bro. I am also dead too. match gone.
Leave. Go back of that, or else we'll go around that thing. Go around. Clock tower. He's spectating you, Rudraksh.
Yeah.
Wait, let me try to revive him. I can't give guarantee because so many guys are here.
Hey, bro, don't revive him, bro. You can't also. You make me get no risk. I'm telling you, come with me. Stay with me, bro.
So guys, no enemies here I think, but so many enemies are here. I'm not able to see at least one enemy. Hey, enemy. I'll shoot him, then you'll get to know. Wait. Array, he fell off down. Lol.
Hey, one more for that car. I tell you, come on.
Someone got eliminated just now. I saw him.
He come da.
Coming, wait. That guy only I killed there. Bro, side of us enemy. Everywhere enemy. That guy you shoot there.
Yeah, I gave him extra task. How was come bro. Hey, enemies will come from this side.
I don't know, bro. Where are enemies?
Stay with me. I got an idea. Stay here.
There is one enemy to have Groza, that is confirmed.
Yeah, I killed him.
Alive 4 2v2 I think.
Behind one squad is there.
That's what 2v2 duo. Let's check, guys, who is gonna win.
We win now. For me,
And guys, next match I am doing airdrop challenge.
You'll die. I'm telling you. Anybody here? Bro, they're playing so much safe, bro.
Yada. Bro, come, we'll go. Like that only. If hey, enemies are there near clock tower. Hey, one enemy on the bridge. Hey, only 2v1 da.
2v1, 1v2.
Yeah, that's what. Now let's see what last enemy is near clock tower.
Right side, bro, don't.
Oh no.
Yeah, what?
Hey, go from side and shoot, man. I am empty. Hey, he's near that bridge. I found him. I am ready to give it if he come out.
We should.
So please share, subscribe, like, and this thing is this goal is we should reach actually like 10 likes. So that's it, guys, for today's video. Bye.